Do you know what is the difference between this icon and this one? Look at that background. This one has hatch, and the other one doesn't. I used that symbols here and here, and everything is fine. So there is no hatch behind this icon. Let's go in 3D model. And this is our pipeline 100. Here is line segment with number tag 100. I want to place this element on the pipe, so I use command run validation. And you will see after validation is finished there is no error detected. Let's open validation here. And you see unmatched P&ID inline asset HA120. It is our guy. I'm going to place that in a drawing. This is P&ID pipeline list. And here is my check valve. I want to place that check valve on that line. I'm going to place it here. And you see this length is abnormous. So that's mean that will not be the check valve. That is the placeholder. In the properties panel for that element you will see pH metric, and here is placeholder. So we don't need that. If you go here and try to change for something useful, you will see there is no check valve on the list. Why is that? Because there is no check valve in our spec. Let me check 10HC01. You will see there is no check valves. If you are here and if you see on your palette that some icon has that hatch behind, that means there is no 3D element in that spec. So don't use that in your P&ID. Or create the catalog element, place it in spec, and everything will be fine. To turn this option, go here on Project Setup and use this option, Spec-Driven Project. The default value is Standard Project, and as you see, it doesn't display hatched icons. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips, tricks and other things.